slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV still back and once again, and today we're going to be taking a quick little look at these Fragment Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows in that blue color. Super dope shoe. First pair that I personally got myself, so it's going to be cool to see. I checked them out, they look super clean, so that's a good sign. Before we get into everything, if you're new to the channel, you like what you see in the video, show some love, drop a like, turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel, and last but not least, follow your boy on Instagram at RVStuffTV. With that out of the way, these took about a week and a half to get here with FedEx. Shipping was nice and quick. The other thing would be they came double box, bubble wrapped, perfect condition, nothing happened to the box, which is nice always as well. With YesKicks, they do great with shipping typically, so it's good to know. I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. With all that out of the way, let's get into it, man. If you hear my dog pacing around the back, ignore it. There's just stuff being moved around downstairs, so she's kind of going crazy. But yeah, there's a website, email, WeChat, and then if you use the code RVStuff, you can save yourself $15 site-wide on your first order with that count. So keep that in mind. Before we get into shoes themselves, it did come with this cool little plastic cover thing that says Cactus Jack. Nike Air, got the Fragment sign all over it. Pretty dope. And it kind of just goes over the regular shoebox, which is a nice touch. I was kind of confused at first. I wasn't aware that's what it came with, so yeah, put the shoes to the side. Here's the box, nice cream blue box, regular Jordan box, so otherwise it'd say Travis Scott or any of that all over it. Air Jordan 1 low OG SP, sale military blue, black. These are size 13, so yes, they have 13s, which is nice. And they do fit true to size, so keep that in mind. Regular inside, all blue. This swoosh looks pretty dope. I like the blue, it's really clean. Inside the box itself, nothing really to talk about here. Just gonna make sure everything's good. But yeah, there's no, there's no StockX stuff, at least in my pair, so keep that in mind. When you're ordering, if you do order these, you can probably request it, but I didn't because I don't really care for it. But yeah, so here are the shoes themselves. You get 3 extra sets of laces, one blue, black, and pink, and then you get the cream ones that came on the shoe itself. But yeah, check the shoes out. Super clean stitching, glue, paint, everything's pretty crispy on this pair. So, and even the leather, like the leather feels really good on these, I'm not gonna lie. It's like super soft. It's gonna be mad comfy to wear around. But yeah, man, so here they are. Fragment design, Nike Air. Underneath, got some Jordan branding. Ignore my orange thumb from eating Doritos earlier. Shoe tree in here. Jumpman shoe tree. And then you got your little lace, Nike Air inside, size 13. Ooh, those insoles feel a lot comfier than regular insoles for some reason. And you got your size tag there. Blah blah blah. Nothing else crazy going on the inside of the shoe. Everything else is pretty normal. On this side, you got the black regular swoosh with the Cactus Jack in 3M. So yeah, then you got some of this branding, I guess. They always do this weird shit on the Fragment shoes. On the back here on the left shoe, you got Cactus Jack is stitched in on the heel, and then underneath there you got the Cactus Jack face embossed in there, Travis Scott face, whatever you want to call it, with the big backward swoosh on the outside of the shoe in that pink suede, I guess. I don't even know what you want to call that. But yeah, overall the shoe looks super clean. Like, take in even this leather here. That's nice leather actually. So yeah, there's the left shoe. Right shoe here, same thing. There is a couple differences on the shoe I'll go over, but just so y'all can see the quality of the stitching, glue, all stays the same. So it's nice to see consistency between each shoe. Cactus Shack 3M there. Same little code. On the back of this one, you got the Air Jordan stitched in at the top, and then you got the Fragment logo on the bottom. So it's a little different than the left, because the left had the Travis Scott face and Cactus Shack stitched. Then here on the tongue of the right shoe, you got Cactus Shack instead of Fragment design, and regular Nike Air. Everything looks to be the same otherwise. So yeah, I like the feel of these laces, honestly. I don't know why, but I'm pretty certain they're waxed. That's more than likely why I like it. Yeah, they're clean. Nike Air on the inside of the insole, so nothing crazy going on there. Size tag, the same. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I forgot to show the bottom of the shoe, but you guys know how the Jordan 1 bottom looks like. Nice and crispy. Never before worn. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for this video. Nothing much else to talk about with this. Pretty simple stuff. Let me know your guys' thoughts on the shoe in the comment section down below. Do you like them? Do you hate them? I think the feedback from this pair of shoes was pretty great all around, so it seems a lot of people do like them. I'm wondering, oh yeah, I'm pretty sure they did have the highs. Yeah, they had the highs as well. I didn't get a pair of those, but I might. I don't know. I'm definitely more of a low guy with all kicks, let alone Jordan 1s, but I do like my highs here and there as well. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you're new to the channel, show some love. With all that being said, I'm gonna let y'all go. Enjoy the rest of your day, night, morning. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.